Hey you guys, I wanted to pop on here right quick with Chica and draw the winners for the giveaway that was posted on the How to Get Munimade Trays video. So we had 39 different people enter with a total of 237 different entries. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. I wish you guys luck. I have enjoyed so much reading all of your comments and just feeling so inspired and motivated by you guys, and I'm just feeling more excited and motivated than ever to serve you guys in the best way that I can through my business. It has literally given me the warm fuzzies inside to see all the people comment and say that Munimade trays are their favorite. Like, oh my gosh, that is so sweet of you to say and makes me so happy and emotional because it's just something that I care a lot about and it's something that I pour myself into every single day of my life. And I'm just so grateful for you guys and for your support, and also I'm grateful that I could make something for you that benefits you and makes your time crafting all that much better. And it has made me feel more inspired and more excited to think of new things and grow my business and expand and just see where time takes us. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support. But today, it's time for me to give back to you. So we are giving away 3 full tray sets to 3 different lucky winners. If you win, you will get the selection of a small set or a large set. And you can choose any color you want or colors. You can make the tray, the lid, and the stopper 3 different colors if you want. We will be making these sets specially for you if you win. I will be contacting you if you are the lucky winner via one of the ways that you entered the giveaway with, so I can make sure that it's you and nobody tries to pretend to be you and steal your prize. I'll be contacting you and asking you what exactly you want it to be, and I will get that made for you and sent to you ASAP. So let's see who it's gonna be. My fingers are crossed for you, especially if you're one of the people who have never gotten to try a Munimade tray before. I really hope you win and you get to experience it and try it out and see if you enjoy them. So thank you. Thanks again for everyone that entered. All you had to do to enter was like the How to Get Trays video, comment, and then subscribe to my channel. And then you had to officially enter through Gleam. Gleam is probably what I'm going to be using from here on out to do giveaways because I find that it is just the most fair way to run them, and there's a lot of options for people to enter multiple times and have a bunch of entries. If they go around doing all the things and they retweet my tweet and they come back each day, then they have more entries. So I love Gleam, and that is what we're going to be using for the time being to draw winners for any future giveaways. So thank you to everyone who followed instructions and read the description and my pinned comment underneath that video and actually officially signed up. But anyone that wins, I will be confirming that you did comment, like, and subscribe to make sure that you are a valid winner of the giveaway. So, all right, Chica, you want to draw some winners? You want to draw some winners? Yeah? You want to? You want to draw some winners? You gonna help me? You gonna help me draw some winners? Yes, you are. Yes, you're gonna help me. I'm sorry. I just love my dog. I'm obsessed. Anyone else here obsessed with dogs? Me. Hopelessly obsessed. I love my dogs. If you didn't know that about me. All right. Here we are. We have 3 winners to choose. Good luck. Let's see who is gonna be. Yeah. Okay, Chica. Winner number 1. All right, we're going to do one at a time just to drag it out and add suspense to it. So winner number 1 is going to be... Ooh, we got Shadows Cat on Instagram or Shadowfall on YouTube. Congratulations, you have won the first tray set. And I see you went back and did a lot of daily entries, so good on you. But the winning entry was visiting Munimade with Love on Instagram, so thank you so much for that. Okay, winner number 2 is gonna be... It is... The Boredom is Real on YouTube with a Voldemort makeup transformation. Wow, I'm gonna have to watch that. Very interesting. Congratulations, you have won the second prize. And your winning entry was visiting Munimade.com, which is linked to my Etsy page. So thank you so much for visiting the shop. All right, last but not least, Chica, drum roll please. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Let's see. It's gonna be entry number 206, Brooke. Congratulations, you have won the third prize, and your winning entry was for liking, subscribing, and commenting on the video. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting. That goes for everyone, even if you didn't win. Better luck next time. This certainly will not be the last giveaway that I do here on the channel. I want to once again say a heartfelt thank you to each and every person who has subscribed so far and come along on this journey with me. I look forward to what's to come. I do live streams here where I craft and hang out with you guys live, so you should definitely come and check those out and hang out and chat with me, as well as other random crafty videos. Oh my god, I thought you were like falling off the desk. I was about ready to be like, oh my gosh, and catch her. If you didn't win trays today, don't forget you can purchase them every Wednesday between 4 and 6 p.m. Central, as well as place a custom order on the first day of the month around 10 a.m. Central Time. Thanks so much for participating in this, you guys. I hope you have an awesome crafty day. Happy fall. Stay warm if it's cold where you are. Can't relate. I live in Texas, but hey, I will see you guys soon in the next video. Bye!